Good day, Bulldogs! I am Kiara and I am currently here in National University. So I am here because I want to show you some clips of our core values. So let's start with integrity.
Ay, they left it on again.
Hi there, Kiara. What's taking so long?
Sorry, pinatay ko pa kasi yung AC.
Why do you have to do all of that? You don't even get credit for it.
Sayang naman kasi kung di pa patayin yung aircon, di ba? Yung kuryente ng school natin, kung di ko ginawa, sino gagawa?
Like, you actually make sense. That's actually better.
Yeah, it doesn't mean naman na walang nakatingin din natin gawin yung right thing, di ba?
Yes, I agree with you.
Integrity, nagtataguyod ng paggawa ng tama kahit walang nakamasid sapagkat dito nasusukat ang tunay na pagkatao.
Alright, Bulldogs, how was that clear? So now let's move on to the confession. Ano na order? Asa na ba? Hello? Asa na yung order ko? Tagal! Excuse me? Hello?
Sorry po.
Sorry. You're studying and working at the same time? Yes. Just like, it's nice job. But I understand.
Tagal mo, pagong ka ba?
Dude, calm down. She's trying her best. Hindi mo ikakamata yung pag-intay.
Sorry, rough day lang. Sorry, me.
Thank you, ma'am. I needed that. It's okay. There's something that I really want to remember always. But compassion is like basically giving them the same benefit of the doubt, giving them the comfort and softness that you get from your body. So, exactly.
Compassion, nagtuturo ng malasakit at pag-unawa kung saan kahit maliit na kabutihan ay nagdudulot ng ginawa sa ibang tao.
Alright, that was a roller coaster. Now let's move on to the innovation.
Alden, based on AI detector na ginamit ko, it is most likely 100% AI generated. I'm so disappointed. That's why I'm giving you the grade fail.
Girl, see? I only told you. Innovation is about improvement, not shortcut.
It's not supposed to replace us. What are you guys talking about? Is it about AI? Oh, in my case, I use AI for making like quizzes if there's an upcoming exam, or I'm improving my works using it. I'm using it, but not avoiding learning at the same time. Can I go now?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, can I have a favor? Can you teach me the right way how to use AI?
No problem.
Thank you. Innovation. Hinuhubog nito ang kakayahan ng tao na lumikha ng malikhaing ideya at solusyon sa mga hamon ng buhay.
So, are you still with us? We still have one. We have resilience.
cars.
Good things the world. So, napansin ko this past few quizzes, nagkaroon ka ng mga mababang marka at kapag hindi ka nakabawi o nakakuha ng mataas na marka sa ibang quizzes natin ng activities, maaari kang bumagsak at matibay ang subject.
Buksan mo yung quiz mo nakaraan eh. And please, kahit kunting time lang po.
Ang maaari mo ng advice sa'yo is mag-review ka, sinisikapin mo magkaroon ng mataas na marka sa mga susunod pang gawain natin. May mga iba ka pa mga susunod. Thank you, Mr.
Sorry, nalita ko.
Hindi, mag-release na. Mag-review na tayo.
Ano? Di ba ako nag-review?
Ito may reviewer ko.
Ano ba eh? Magsok na naman ako nito. Ano ba yan?
Marami-
Buhay mo pa yung mga ko.
Marami pang time. Mag-review muna tayo.
Naiiyak ako.
Marami pang time. Anong oras na ba? Pero alam mo ba normal lang yan. Normal mag-fail. Kahit ako mag-fail ako. Kahit mo plus sa atin nag-fail yan. Pero ang best advice ko lang ngayon is never mo kalimutan mag-stand up sa sarili mo. Tapos ano din, marami pa tayong time mag-review. Gawin mo na yung best mo. Marami pang time. Perfect
Kaya
natin
natin
pa.
to. Talaga? Iwala ako sa'yo ah.
Yes. Tara na.
So, hello guys! Makinig muna kayo. I-announce ko ang mga pumasa. Tatawagin ko kayo by username. Esternon, 30 out of 40. Gabriel, 35 out of 40. Resilience. Nagpapakita ng kakayahang bumangon sa pagkabigo at harapin ang mga hamon ng may tapang.
Of course, we can't forget about the patriotism. Gagawa lahat yun. I mean, someday gusto ko rin magaling sa competition na sinasalihan mo. Pagod, di ko alam kung paano mo nakakaya. Parang, saan mo ba ginagawa to? Parang kanino?
Alam mo, ginagawa ko talaga to para sa ating bansa. Masaya akong nire-representa ang ating bansa sa mga team namin. Katulad ko, naglalaro ako ng volleyball, hindi lang dahil sa kasiyahan, kundi dahil sa dugong Pilipino ako at proud akong Pilipino.
Patriotism o pagmamahal sa bansa, nasusukat sa malasakit at dedikasyon at sa pagpapakita ng dangal bilang mamamayan sa bawat gawa.
Alright, we are now at the end of the video. So, have you learned anything? Well, I did. So, thank you for watching and see you next time.